Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, Dre's gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order flow, profile, and volume in time. High heat try to laugh, but the lines gon' feast. Feast. Nerd out to take the battle from Liquidity to Wall Street.
Good morning, Lions. How we doing? Shoutouts to Houston. Hope y'all juiced up this morning. Yeah. Shoutouts Cage Wins. Bobby Toxic Pedals, Dole Kong. Burbeezy, MEXC, Kaboo, Dirty, Dan Green, Cuca Deliciosa, Hey Blade, how you doing? Sophia, Rofzy, Ninja Jeffin, 83rd, We Fancy, Insistence, good morning, Rap Tourist, Vanny, Deneth, Blaze Alex, Psycho Talon, Jesse's Pup Pinkman, Lou Time, maybe a Band-Aid. Good morning, good morning. Brolhos, High Style, Vladimir, Fib, Latish, Shadow Dancer, how you doing? Il Pasoto, JV, Max Powers. Mr. Larry's, Minami, Cavallo, Fibbo Jesus, Maxi, DJ, Baru, Zour Power, Best Ed, good morning, La Pretzel, Silas. How we doing? We juicing? We ready for this? Big day. It's a big week. We got CPI this week. And we got FOMC next week. Rate cuts, question mark. The US. How we doing? Nexus. It's just house. This is Mandalo. Welcome. Welcome. Standing in, big shoes to fill, never could be done, but I'm happy to be here sharing some TA and some vibes with you this morning. JV, let's go. Twitching Greg, good morning. Evoki, Aurum, Nelbark, OI down, CV down, price up. I mean, where are you seeing OI down? Here's our OI aggregate. From the lows. And CVD. This is just for a Coinbase CVD right here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's all that bearish yet. We'll see what market open brings. We locked in glitch. Yes, that's right. Alex. Hidden bearish CVD on BTC 30-minute. Yeah. Higher high, lower high. That's not hidden. We need some colors here. We'll see. We'll see. We got 10 minutes. They might invalidate it right at the open or by the open. Yeah. Oh, from the 5th to today? What's the 5th? No, that's a lot of period. No, there's still room to go. Yeah, I wouldn't start drawing any conclusions until we see a little bit of RTH. Shay's Anatomy, how are you doing? ESOX for Julie. Discipline is better. That's a 1.25. Yeah. I'm so happy to see you. Good morning. Let's go. Kim is not taking a back seat. He has some IRL things that he has been talking about for a very long time. And we will have him back soon. Yeah, maybe Band-Aid. Yep. Yeah, shout outs to you. Shout outs to PSG. Shout outs to all the mods. Shout outs to Cyper. Shout outs to Husty, Cage, the whole dev team. Big thank you to Kimba for letting me stand in for him today and a few days this week. We're going to be doing a little bit of market open session. I'm not going to, I don't know how he does it, but it's incredible how he's able to get as much as he is crammed in and still stick around with the gang all day long. Ready, shout outs to you, brother. Damon, yeah, let's go. I love seeing the PSG up in the chat. Burbeezy, Maestro, Buzzcree, Ninja Jeffin. Burgix, good morning. Good tech. I love it. Jay Becker. Crispy, good morning. Dippy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How many of you have been playing around with the CoinWise tools? Pretty juicy, huh? Yeah, I played around with them some this weekend also. It's really nice. Some really cool things. We got gaps indicators. We don't even have to think anymore. Bytesor. I bet you played around with it a little bit. Shout outs to you, brother. Yeah, things are looking nice. Nice. Yeah, if you haven't played around with it yet, I mean, there's the The pin, go to CoinWise, Wise Pro, 2-week trial on the pro indicators. Like, it's juicy. Give them a shot. It's awesome. Shout out to CoinWise. Thanks for letting us use your tools. It's amazing. Shout out to Calling Noob. Yeah. What was months ago, Venger? Highly recommended by Soar. Yeah. Yeah, there's some really cool things. We haven't even gotten started with it. Yeah, I haven't learned all their tools, but I'm really enjoying getting to tinker around with it and change some of the settings and everything. Change some of the colors. Yeah, it's like the keys to a Bugatti when I'm used to driving a moped. Yeah, shout outs CoinWise. Shout outs to their whole team. Much love. Juz T, thank you. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Riddler, how you doing? Octal. Oh, we got 5 minutes. I need to get a poll in. Y'all, I'm taking time out of entertaining you to put up a prediction points poll. If it's not prohibited in your region, give it a shot. You have nothing to lose. How to use CoinWise, you go to their website, you make an account, and then you redeem that promo code for the 14-day trial. It's in the pin. Some KIMBA AI just had the stream schedule and the other events that are going on. And of course, to sign up for the exchanges and giveaways, we had Juiciest giving out big dollars this morning. Amazing. Shout outs to BLOFIN. BLOFIN, let's go. BLOFIN is one of my preferred ones, but I'm trading on a lot of the exchanges that we have as the dashboard. Love it. Yeah, Actine, if you are curious about how to use like the different tools that they have, you're going to be seeing a lot of it this week, I'm sure, and in the near future. We nerded out over it on it over the weekend some when we first were able to start using their resources, and there's going to be much more of it. So when I'm TAing stuff, I'm going to be playing around. Any questions that you have, just ask, and we'll see. If I don't know, then we'll figure it out together. The Mandalo fibs, the .69420. Let's go. Yep, exactly. To the pixel. It was. Yeah, Buzzo, shout out to you, brother. How was the talent show yesterday? That was juice. That was all day vibes. Amazing. Petrus. It's all for TradingView right now, Actine. Big dog. Big dog. I can't say your name without thinking of the tiger meme. I love you. Yeah. Yep, all on TradingView. They have like 7 tools right now. I know that they have quite a few more in development. I don't know what they have in development, but it is supposed to be juicy. If it's anything near what they have already put up, it's going to be amazing. Yeah, they got amazing tools. They have education. That's growing as well, constantly being built out. So check out the site, coinwise.com. Let's see what the markets are doing because we're about to hit the bell. Little local sweep on ES. And we'll see where this gap opens up. Locked in. Yeah, look at that gigantic gap above us. Oof. Yep, the green single prints. The red is an RTH gap. Somewhere around here we got a ETH gap. I think I gotta switch it over into RTH to visualize it. Yeah, like I said, I'm still learning the tools as well. So you may have to play around a bit. You know, some of their things are still being worked on. So if you notice anything, check out their Discord. You know, share any comments or if you see any bugs, then they'll jump right on it. You know, they're very responsive. But use the tools. It's pretty awesome. Okay, ding, 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 ding. You let me talk through that. Market open. Let's go. Big week. Indo Lion. Good morning. Abracadabra. Kachoya. Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. We got a green candle on CME and a red candle on ES. Yep, gapping up. And so we got a bullish gap on both. $8 years, bro. Yep, chicken milkshake. Hype is doing the leg. Oh my gosh, you let me do this without music? I have music now. Let's go. Good morning, Danny. Danny Balat, shouts to you. Sandelka. I might get in trouble for playing this playlist. But are you guys hearing this? Can you hear tunes? No! Hold on, I'm working on it. This is the space shuttle. Danny Bolat, thank you so much. Big shout outs to you, brother. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm trying to get the music going. Yeah, I thought that I had it solid. Yep, that's a big fail on my part. I apologize, y'all. Ready, let's go, let's go. Oh, I had it, Housty? Wait, did I mess it up? Do we have it? I can't tell. If I change the volume, it's gone. For a moment, you had it. Is it gone or no? Yeah, it is. It is, Housty. It's gone. Chop, chop. Dip the tip and go. Hype is doing it. Soul's doing it. I'm trying to get your music going. Can't lose, can't lose. Let's go, discipline is better. Baru, Lihu. Wiztar, good morning. Populous. Yeah, we'll look at hype in a minute.
Market moves, now I know exactly what to do. Broke no more, now I'm counting stacks, feeling good. KIMBA game, we living life just like we should. Now my grind is on another level. Market moves, yeah, it's level to level.
You hear it. There we go. You hear it. There we go. Let's try this again. There we go. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay. There's an echo. There's an echo. On the music. On the music. No on my voice. No on my voice. No on my voice. Okay. How's it now? Gucci. Okay, great. Let's go. Thank you. Yep. This is all for you guys, so I want to make sure that it's good. Sorry that we're missing out on some TA, but it is the space shuttle and I am a boomer. But we can read some charts. So is this dip the tip? Let's get it. We'll see what happens here. We got a little gap below. Dip the tip. Yes, I am a boomer. Bite sore. For reals. Yep, I drive a 7 Lincoln Continental. And it has like 17 miles on it. Yeah. Always in the slow lane. Interesting market open. I mean, we got CPI this week. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, bite. All right, let's see what's going on. We want to see some other coins, I guess. But I want to see Coinbase. Really fast. Yeah, this morning was a pretty interesting little retest. We're still kind of forming a bad high here. And a little bit of a resistance zone. Golden pocket retracement. Who juicing Cryptodamus? Let's go. Castillo, how are you doing? I know, I'm so American. Castillo. Shout out to you, brother. Yeah, chicken milkshake, they did. Altcoins like weekends, don't they? Uncle Scratch, good morning. Yep, we identified this area on Saturday or Friday, didn't we? Yep. Yep, and we got some highs above us that are not especially great. Yeah, it's an area that's kind of interesting, but especially this little box right here, it runs all the way over to these other highs from last week or like end of August. And you got single print above. So local week highs, break into that with some volume, and we might be looking at, you know, at least the point of controls and things up in the 117 range. But that's quite a ways away at this point in time, and we got a red candle right now. What was the 5 minutes? I pay it out. I like to do it on Binance, but I'm not switching out like that much. Green? Duco, good morning. I'm not Hannah Montana, I'm Intercessor today. Shout outs to Intercessor. That was green. Yay! Pretty good RR on that one. Shoutouts to the bull predictors. Ninja Jeffin, what up, 60. Joopy, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Ludo, Jesse put pink. Yeah, this is your song, isn't it? Burbeezy, 60. Revs, how are you doing? Yeah, we had a really tight range yesterday. It did a rotation a couple times. But what I was talking about was here, this high. Once we broke out a value area and started closing above, broke above that high. Yeah, it's still pretty one-sided. Come back, test that level perfectly. Right? That was almost at the pixel. Yeah, Cryptodamus. Yep, we're just seeing what's coming next. All right, what else do we got? ETH feed swing failing. I mean, you get that arc, the acceleration, but it swing fails. So you need to start closing above all that. We did break out a value area though. And how about for our fixed range? We're gonna show up. Yeah, we're outside value area. Pixel retest the point of control this morning. If you can't see it all. And that's pretty clean. Yeah. Dragon King, how you doing? Yeah, Sophia, you liking that? SML, how are you doing? Shout out Spuzzo. Mighty T-Man. Yeah, nerd out deep. Nerd out deep, ask questions. I've been playing with this quite a bit. I know a lot of the other Lions have also. You know, check out their Discord. And of course, KIMBA Gang Discord. Nerd Now Hard. Especially in PSG, I'm sure that they are enjoying it quite a bit. For Geely. Yeah. Yeah, previous week VWAP. A little bit of resistance there. Yeah, we'll see about single prints. No single prints. That's pretty nice. $2 fund from 2-bit. Let's go. Targets for ETH if we go up. 4,500 to me. Yeah, we're going to get some resist. I mean, this is naturally a little bit of a hang up area. I'll go at least on the hour chart to kind of look for potential areas of resistance. But I'd be looking at, yeah, let me. That at least. Yeah, this little buyback where people started getting back in. But we have some really not that nice up above. So that's pretty interesting, right around 4,500. So I said that, you know, you got those all the way through here. So you have many sessions of highs. you know, within like $25. Yeah, that's a pretty important level, 4,500 anyways. Look at the size of that single print from that run up. But let's pull a fixed range for this whole zone and take a look at it that way. Maybe it'll give us some context. Yeah, even this little zone over here, and I know there's like so much business on the chart you can't really tell, but the zone that we identified the fixed range in earlier is the big range. Point of control almost completely matched with it. So stay above that, and it's looking better. You know, turn this into support right here, and there's some room to run. Yeah, and even like 4,350 to 4,500 is a pretty nice move. Like for an intraday trade. Yeah, I'll go in SOL in a second. But yeah, we gotta flip 4,500 if you want higher.
From the hustle to the top we rise.
That's pretty important.
Counting blessings, see it in our eyes. Let us burn and stress we minimize. Stacking paper, reaching for the skies. Let the beat breathe. Juice and vibes with the elevate.
SOL is 217 to level. And now we have just another. We're adding to the equation of not great highs. So local swing fail. You need to flip 217. I would be cautious for a swing failure pattern there. 220 is a big area. We have some single prints stacked up there. A lot of times if it does run, that first one might be resistance, or they might fill it, and the second one, like, they'll come back and get it later. So I mean, this is just like based on a lot of back testing, and not just with SOL, but like a lot of things. You might see something like that. But locally we have a swing failure pattern, so you know, it's all following Bitcoin and by proxy traditional market. Kaito, I have never even looked at that ticker, but I'll look at it. Just give me a moment. Yeah, we got some single prints below us. That's usually kind of a good thing to have stacked ones if you're bullish. I'll put 1.5 million Pepes on Cardano. How's the Pepe Cardano pair going? I'm not a big Cardano person, but I used to trade it a lot. Is it juicy? I'll look at it. If SPX swing fail, good short for BTC. I like, you know, not financial advice. Looking for a little cycle, yeah.
KIMBA gang on my shoulders, we ain't folding. Juice dripping heavy, all these moves golden. Built this empire out of nothing but dreams. Now the profits add up, math levels extreme. Had to do the math, no mistakes in the books. Profits adding up.
Yeah, I wouldn't be looking at that as a swing fail yet. That's not really that great. But the gap is holding. right? Or the single print is holding. We're sandwiched between an imbalance and a gap. Hold the gap and we're good. Maybe gap fill and go. And we're opening up out of previous value area. Yeah, I could see. Whoops. I can see this. Gap fill. Something like that. In the first hour of market open, I wouldn't be looking for major swing trades. But you know, that's all-time highs over here, so anything is possible. Exclamation Hopium. Twitching Greg, shouts to you, thank you. Lucky Luke. 8 is a dino. There's a lot of dino coins. It still can be traded though. And you know that it's got liquidity. So nothing wrong with that. Okay, XRP. Waiting patiently. BTC is looking for holding the gap for now. Yeah, Soul, I would be looking for like a retest here if it pulls back. But this whole zone that was resistance, they're kind of turning it into support. And you had the single print support as well. But that would also be kind of interesting. Looking to hold a higher low.
KIMBA gang, we juicing up. What? Roll up, light it up.
If it did pull back and fill the single prints.
Stack that green, run it all about the Nero, yeah, we stack it to the ceiling. Smoking on that lettuce got me higher than
Alright, let's get XRP.
rounds loaded, I ain't worried about no
And then I'll see if I can even find Kaito.
Pull up in a drop top, sipping on some dirty juice. Plug just hit my line, said he got another move.
Do you like my trading view label? Shit coins and more shit coins. No offense. Looks like accumulation. It does down there, but a lot of things do. You talking about it in like higher time frame? Shout out to you, Moon Farmer. Peanut? Okay. I turn some of this off for high time frame. Pull up with the gang, tinted windows, you can't see us. 100 for the fit, dripping sauce like it's Aquafina. Juicing up. We don't give a fuck. So we got some VWAPs on here. I don't even bother with open interest. I'm gonna bother with open interest. Yep. Shorts and longs. This whole zone still holding shorts. Let it calculate. A whole lot more longs than shorts right now. Well, we're come off at all-time highs. It looks pretty nice holding this pattern. And it had a swing fail of this and holding that. Need to hold this.
KIMBA gang in this thing. What we do? Wake up, rise up, get it done. Let's go. Wake up, roll out, eyes wide, no doubt. The squad gon' ride any day, no clout. Get it how we live it, hustle hard,
the cut, yeah, they growl and bite. Sunrise to the night, we gon' fight that fight. Ain't no slipping, ain't no tripping, watch your lane. Kimba gang in the jungle, can't be tamed. What my Kimba say? Right here, right here. Who gon' ride? We don't fear, we don't fear. Get it started, yeah, we coming through.
Yeah, kind of
It's a
splitting
new
it
day, rise and grind. What it do?
on those two highs right there.
Step to the beat like we run this block. Every second is a chance. Tick tock, tick tock. Ain't no sitting back, nah, that's not in the plan. Kimba gang moves silent, but we always stand. Rough with the ground, but the bite is real. Every hustle we
Yep,
touch,
you don't
becomes
want-
that deal. Early bird with the worm, we don't wait for the plate.
You don't want this again.
We grind, it's sealed with fate.
What do you say about
Right here, right here. Who gon' ride?
this pattern?
We don't fear, we don't fear. Get it started, yeah, we coming through. It's a new day, rise and grind.
You know, it's nice if we go like this. But what do you say about like all these lows down here? It's not the greatest. Yeah, and if you're looking for just like a shorter term area of interest, yeah.
Car pull a chill with the booming, going fast, trying not to crash, hustling in my Dior, want no phone. Kimba gang, pull the trigger, money in the air, charts spinning, racks flipping, see us everywhere, squeezing kimchi out the block, saddles feeling pain, from the jungle to the globe, lions run the game, watch the Bitcoin rise, 100K in sight, Jerome H. Powell making history tonight, liquidity flowing. We stacking up them racks, 6 figures turning 7, ain't no looking back. We the market makers, we run these scenes, flexing in our Bugattis, living like kings and queens. Kimba gang's the squad, we hustle and grind, never settling down. Ambition intertwined, Hodo on the charts, copy trade with finesse. Squeezes
That makes a lot of sense.
skills to the test. Let us in the air, we smoking high and blessed. While Z-Zap getting wrecked, we doing our best. PSG's rocking, nerding out together, talking big moves. We gon'
So you have the entire range point of control and the trend line. Previous month's TPO point of control. Previous month volume point of control. Previous month VWAP. There is a little bit of resistance above us. Yeah, that's on levels. That's pretty cool that it, you don't like being a top longer, but yeah, Kirby, shouts to you. Fibba Math. It's Coinwise. Exclamation Coinwise. Yeah, they got a 14-day trial. They're letting us play with the toys and give it a shot. Check them out. It's amazing. Yeah, it's a bunch of cool indicators. Yeah, it's sweet. I haven't even gotten to play with them as much as I'd like, but it's, I mean, we love nerding out. Shout out to PSG. Shout outs to the Kimba gang, grinding hard and having some tools to learn and to make seeing stuff easier. Beautiful. Yeah, that eye is not good.
We taking it all. In Laquania, we chill, hear the market call.
Yeah, not great up here either. But ever since breaking from this area, we're starting to pick up some volume, so that's a good sign. If I was looking for, you know, something in this area, we kind of pulled this. I'll even go from back here for you. So you got structure and you have volume, value area high. You know, maybe even all the way back to previous day EQ or daily open would be like kind of a cool place for a marginally higher low. Head and shoulders on XRP. Are you talking about low time frame? That's a big head. Here we're gonna just do some imagination here. Left shoulder, head, pull back. Oh wait, I forgot what head and shoulders are. Hey, is that what you're thinking? This is a 15-minute chart. That's a pretty big pullback and a really, really big head for a head and shoulders pattern. But I could see him holding that. Loading the right shoulder with volume up. Yeah, well, it's going to have to be bearish volume. If you load that right shoulder with volume up, it's going to keep running, likely. August 28th to today. Alright, for the yeah, but you have this whole like accumulation at the lows. Was that a swing fail? Yeah. I like this song. I like this part of this song. I love all the music, but this part's like get you hype. I know I don't have like the big hype vibes, but I'm trying to nerd out with y'all. I like the value area high retest if it gets bearish. You know, bounce and come back here. Oh, IHS? Is that what you're looking at? Lord of mercy. Yeah. Maybe. I mean, you kind of want one peak instead of two. But yeah, I mean, it kind of has that structure. Maybe if it's like, what, in the daily? Let's see on that daily. Coulda took a L, but I turned it into passion. Hustle like I'm Nip, stay sharp like I'm 50. You ain't talking money, little homie, then you miss me. Sacrifice my sleep, I ain't seen my bed in weeks. CoinWise has some stuff on head and shoulders, I think. Yeah. You know they got education also. Pretty dope. Yeah, they have a whole like YouTube of some like some teaser videos. Been grinding too long to let a broke boy slide. Had to cut some ties. I ain't stressing the loss. If you ain't help build a table, you ain't eating with boss. They ain't show love when a youngin' was down. Now my wrist cold and my bank account loud. Told my mama I got us, I ain't letting shit break me. Every dollar made was a risk, ain't no safety. Look me in my eyes, tell me what you see. A soul full of scars, but a heart full of G's. This ain't luck, boy, this that get it out the mud. Ain't no cheat codes here, just sacrificing blood. Juiciest in the fuck up, I ain't letting up now. All the L's I took, look how I'm winning right now. Pressure make diamonds, I was built from the stone. You ain't working like me, then stay the fuck off the throne. Let me just see my single prints. Shout out to CoinWise. And we had a rotation, I think. No, it didn't even test previous day value area low.
KIMBA gang, he ain't playing with y'all. You either grind or you starve. Simple as that. If you ain't
But check that out. So
you ain't want it bad enough.
when we came up here, daily open.
Stay hungry. Let's get it.
Oh, naked points of control. I didn't even account for that. See, if you don't throw these on your chart, you're hoeing, aren't you? Yeah, we're just looking at altcoins, looking at a lot of different things while we're kind of waiting for the initial balance on Bitcoin and S&P. You know, WizTard, it's like the everything Windows indicator, or Mrs. Mandalo has it on her phone. Like, it's on like so many different things. As just like a stock like ringtone or something. Shout out to the giveaways this morning. Thanks for reminding me, Housty. Yeah, this morning was juice. If you missed out, Housty and KIMBA gave away like 5K. Amazing. Shout out to BLOFIN. Shout out to you guys. Big cheers, Housty. Big cheers for up here too. Much love, dude. Shout out to PSG. Good morning, Mark. Yeah, so we got a single print here. Another one down here. Stack single prints in the day. After we broke above previous day point of control, which was resistance until we flipped it and back tested it. By back test, I mean came back and turned it into support and just ran after that. So you got volume, you got structure. Red is red and orange. This is the volume levels, and that's the gray is TPO. And it's tiny, tiny, tiny on here. I don't want to like choke up my screen because I already have a million indicators on it, but you can still see where the levels are, and so that's nice. And that's not really a swing fail. Even though it did kind of run this level right here. If they front run these naked points of control, I'm gonna laugh kind of, but it's very typical. And what do you guys think about those swing failure patterns that then they had that FU candle right afterwards? The sweep? You always got to think about those. Stop out the over-eager early shorters. Yep, sweep the sweep. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. You see it on a lot of things. How often does it happen on Biddy? How about when you get that juicy position, you're like, yeah, it grabs your level, and then those MFers come in, like, clean you up, stop you out, and you gotta, like, chase it. It's even better when you're sleeping, right? Can you tell this happened to me before? Who, me? Yeah, Ace, good morning. How are you doing? Juicy week. We got CPI later this week. Giveaways. We got CoinWise. We got CoinWise free trials. This is amazing. I'm psyched. And this, I mean, 2 letters, 1 word. Come on. PSG, let's see that in the chat. Let's go, Dan Green. Yeah. Yeah, even if I can't fill Music back. It's a pretty windy day, so it might have messed with my connection. I apologize, guys. Yeah, I live in the sticks. We're back, we're back, we're back. I was making sure I didn't do anything. Just in case I'm gonna close a couple things. Okay, somebody wanted to see Peanut. Wait, I'm gonna try to find that Kaito thing. Is it worth me looking at? I know they're sniping. Satellite internet? No, I actually don't live in the sticks. I just have like a lot of construction happening around me. And sometimes they be kachoying me. Yeah, sniping me. Kachoy! That would have been perfect. The timing is almost impeccable. I'm on USDC. I just need to see this chart without, like, completely clean. And then we'll, like, play with the toys. Selling channel. That's not that bad. The math is the math. I'm choosing the impulse candle in this case. When we broke above that little range. Impulse candle on the other side, back inside value area. Let's see from kind of the... We'll get it pixel perfect. Close inside here. This is a daily chart. You get a daily close here. Might be going for these highs at least. You know, maybe look for a rotation if you can get above that point of control. And then it's like looking a lot better. But those lows don't look all that great if we start pulling back on BTC. Something to look for. Spaghetti chart, it is mine. Dan Green. You want to see spaghetti? Yeah, I'm gonna have to close some things if I get spaghetti out. I'm getting rid of this. Why do I even have that? Yep. Shoutouts to the YouTube. The EXO. Shoutouts to the BTC Live. But map. Spaghetti's pretty cool. Yeah. I'm gonna have to pull it up on a different screen. Possibly. No, it should be okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna get it on one that I don't mind closing afterwards. My trading view is not like my friend today. Let's see, spaghetti.
No more stress, just manifest. Say we juicing from the left to the right. See my charts, they be looking too nice. Let us stack in.
This is like a work in progress. Also. Oh, I don't know.
Who juicing? KIMBA gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. Oh yeah, more profit, no losing. Who juicing?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull this up off
stress and just
off
cruise.
stream
Oh, yeah. More
really
profit,
quick.
no
How's
lose.
Biddy doing?
Who juicy? Kimba gang. Who
Previous
slack?
day value area.
Do it with ease. Hey, them say Kimba gang too fly. Money multiply, no lie. Chilling on an island sky high. No stress, we just get by.
I was playing with spaghetti the other day, but not that much.
Shots make I choose. More proforts, more moves, more juice. Kimba gang, we don't snooze. Chance they move, I they ride my wave. No fake love, only real ones stay. Making money in 1,000 ways. If no big gains, then no delay.
I'm trying to break my screen at this point.
Kimba gang, who flexing Kimba gang, we no stressing now, smoking lettuce with my charts, no regrets, just play my part, counting blessings, stacking profits, living life is going up,
Y'all see it? What in the world is this? I know, that's what my charts normally look like, isn't it? This is a spaghetti chart. 5 minutes. Some people look at it in 1 minute. And it tracks everything relational to Bitcoin. Yeah, we're working on something that maybe can be available in the near future. But yeah, so you can select different coins that you want to be shown. I have like 45 things in here. Some of them are irrelevant now. I was like kind of trying to clean it up recently, but the ones that you like, you can change the color on, and then you can like kind of pick them out a little easier. Yeah, PSG has seen this a few times. I shared it a long time ago, like a version of it. It needs some work though before I share it again. And maybe the CoinWise guys can make it better. It's all clear to you now. Well, versus Bitcoin. So this is kind of like the Bitcoin Doge pair, Bitcoin ETH pair, like whatever, all on one place in the 5 minute chart. So you can kind of see what's running, what has strength in a day. Yeah, I wanted to do this on Saturday, but like we ran out of time kind of. Yeah, so some of the stronger coins are going to be like performing a little bit better. It's like 2.27% in the ratio. Yeah, so Doge might be one to look at if we were charting it. I'm not saying start longing Doge or anything, but you want to know the coins that are performing well, right? And you don't want to be trying to like, I mean, this is Tesla right here. Tesla Bitcoin pair is not doing too hot today. I mean, what are we gonna do? I have a couple of MOG. Yeah, so it's just like a little way to kind of get a snapshot of the market and check in when you have some volatility. You can have like pivot points. That needs to get worked on also. But pivot lows, pivot highs. I mean, there's 5 minute charts, but still it's cool. And going at it, yeah, it's a monstrosity, but it's, you know, if you learn how to read it and you're trading altcoins, it's a good way to kind of narrow down ones that you might want to look at in the day instead of just like on the side of your chart, looking at like the at the percentages or like going on CoinGlass or whatever and seeing the top movers or whatever. Yeah, there's like scalper screeners and like all kinds of different things in different places. Peanut, I don't even know if I had it on that chart. Yeah, I'll pull it up. I don't even know if I had that on the spaghetti. Well, I have to remember to put it there. Who's traded Peanut? Shouts to Peanut. Shouts to you enjoyers. That's not looking too bad. in the daily. I'd be pretty worried about that if it pulls back. Not that I'd be worried about it, but I'd be aware of it. Things are looking good, coming back to previous month VWAP. Close today above that, we're looking a lot juicier. And then, let's see, it must have gone down or something. Oh, biddy's breaking out. I'm gonna have to go back to the biddy chart in a second. And above point of control. Pretty nice. What in the... Oh, it's because it's USDC pair. Come on now. Come on now.
Damn, Kimba, you back at it again.
When the drones start flying,
At least it's spot.
drones start flying. When the drones start flying, where you
I mean, it's doing the same thing a lot of the alts are doing today.
wild, can you last?
Move the clock it.
But you ran so fast. Thought you was a thug, now you crying.
Wait, what do you mean?
Where you at? Where you at? When the drones start
Good, but Jesus.
stay cool.
I am from Hogwarts.
We too smooth.
Yep.
Pressure when you
Yep.
got no crew. Kimba get composed. We don't
They call me Hagrid.
help me, I'm gonna die. Then he dipped quick. Market flip once he screamed, help me, help me.
Or Dumbledore, whatever you want.
I'm sipping tea, letting charts flip. Still
Just don't call me
crying in his
um,
dashboard pit.
Hermione.
I'm a lion in the middle of the red. Bullets flying, I got letters
Previous
in my
month.
head. They tryna flip coins, I flip spreads. You panic sell, I double down instead.
Big shout out to you.
When the drones start flying, where you at?
Are you juicing the giveaway on Peanut today? Does BLOFIN have Peanut? I'm sure they do. They have like everything. Shout outs to them. Shout outs to Husey and Kimba for the giveaway this morning. Let's go. Any OGs win? How about in the talent show yesterday? The viewing party. That was pretty juice. And then the game show was hella fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, Maestro. Avakami, how you doing? That is me. Yup. But I'm still trying to collect some coins, you know what I'm saying? Black's the coin name when you tab up. Oh, this is Peanut.
When the drones start flying, where you at? When the charts get wild, can you last? Say you a beast, but you ran so fast.
Yeah, it would shrink the screen a whole lot with like the yeah, it would shrink the screen a whole lot with like with the logo and stuff. I'll mess with it for tomorrow. Sorry, this is Peanut. Yeah, I'll see if I can make it look a little bit smoother for you tomorrow. But this is Peanut. Here, you want the watermark? I can't stand looking at the watermarks, but
As long as you don't lose yourself, Kimba gang.
here. Peanut USDT spot. There you go. Here's your ticker. Can you see it? Or is it still covered up? Let's go. I could write it a lot nicer. Peanut. I'm gonna write it in cursive because I'm a boomer. We're having too much fun. You know, if you're having fun, then you juicing. Yeah, just like a real doctor. It's like it's kind of hard to draw with the mouse. I have like a tablet or whatever, but It's just like one more thing in the spaceship right now this morning. I don't want to break it. Yeah, we're outside of value area. Peanut's looking pretty good for right now. We broke these highs, back tested it.
Plan too deep in the trench. Smoke too loud, but that's my scent. 10 toes down, I'ma ride to the end. Legends don't die, they just lead in the sin.
Back tested it. Still got come on now. Still got that one above us. Still have a few other not that great of highs above us. You know, that's what, like 5% above. But Biddy keeps running and things aren't too shabby. You're welcome. Yeah, I'll try to work on that for you. This is always a work in progress, trying to make things better for you guys. You know, you've given KIMBA feedback for 3.5 years. I have like 3.5 minutes of things that I've shared with you so far. And this is like my eighth or 10th, like 8th maybe time that I've been with y'all. And after 8 streams, I finally can like share music with you. So it's always getting better, right? What are you talking about, Peanut? Chop House? How you doing? Good morning. It is a runner, isn't it? You think it's liquidity? How about that? We were just talking about back tests. Ooh, there's a settlement previous month. Way back. Yeah, S&P, I would be looking for maybe this, the single print fill in the intraday. Holding that gap is bullish. We get a close above that first 30-minute close. Things are looking a lot better. Exclamation Boo Gammas. Check it on YouTube. I know there's going to be a Boo Gamma nerd out soon. I'm sure CoinWise will have some Boo Gamma tutorial informations also. I'm looking forward to all of it. I definitely love using these CoinWise tools. It's amazing. It's juice. Let's get it. I got levels on here. You know, I'm charting from my iPad, so my windows aren't super big. Settlements. Yep, the 15-minute, the TradFi scalpers. I think you were talking about that on the altcoin stream, weren't you, Esther Porchenta? I don't trade much altcoins. You know, if there's like a real runner, then I will maybe try to get in on the momentum. but I'm like BTC, ETH, Sol, sometimes like Doge Sui, like, you know, some of the other fun ones that we've been looking at. Hype. Yeah, we were trying to hype the other day. Who's a hype enjoyer? Exclamation dashboard if you want to get in on that Hyperliquid action. Yeah, exclamation Palau, exclamation VPN. Tether Gold, pegged crypto, yeah. And gold was doing good, we charted that. Yeah, let me pull up the altcoin one. Thought I closed this. That's the one we were looking at. I don't need two charts of that. That one needs to go. Spaghetti's going away. I don't even know what's on this one. Bye. It's just so I can pull up my altcoins again. Alright, so PAX G. It'd be nice to put it side by side with gold for real, but it is looking like around the same levels as gold. I mean, even without pulling it up, because I just have that memory recall that we talk about very often. Kimba's always saying that. It's very close to the same levels, and we were talking about breaking out, retesting that previous level, potentially higher. That's pretty nice. And then it's doing it again, just like a lot of things, just like stair steps, retest and goes, makes higher levels. Yeah, I guess there is volume on this since it's not like CFDs or anything. I didn't even throw any Anchor VWAPs on, but that's nice. On those other altcoins, sorry about that. I'm just trying not to break things. Yeah, we're outside of value area in this ever since the impulse.
Useless lines, records, ho.
It's looking good for you. Pure clean chart. Pixel perfect retest. Pretty nice. Exclamation tools, exclamation coinwise. Yeah, for weed. I mean, the cool thing is that they have different like levels for their indicators and stuff. Yeah, so it can work. Another cool thing is you don't need a paid trading view to run them. You have a lot of tools built into one. Yeah, not to say that I don't have paid trading view, because I have like so many indicators, but it is nice for the people that are just starting, that, you know, they're trying to choose between the tools they want to use, get the most for their hard-earned dollars. Everybody's hard-earned dollars, though. Yeah, anything that can give me an edge, I'm looking at. I'm gonna try to invest in. Try to juice up on the giveaways and invest in yourself. You know, either education or in tools, or both. Make sure you're nerding out. PSG, KIMBA Gang Discord. Stand up, PSG. Let's go. Dinner with my parents. Yeah, mom's calling me up from the basement, so I might have to go have dinner with her soon too. Shoutouts Maestro. Stand up PSG. Yeah, that's a catch away. Buzzo. Buzzcree. I didn't take any trades this morning. I'm looking for this. At least. See the reaction at these highs. Yeah, I've been in prep mode for like 4 hours. But, you know, if price hits the level, then we puntin'. With confluence and context, right? Banshee, yeah. Let's go, PSG. Fibception. Jay Becker. Bergix. Mark SD. Namgod, much love. Buzzo. Have a good dinner, Ninja Jeffin. Thanks for being here. Raptorist. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Cytilix. Yeah. Big shout outs to all you guys that are asking for coins. You know, supporting me in here. No Diabito. It makes me feel like Kimba doesn't have 1,000 iPads and there's only 26 people watching. 5.19 billion short on Bybit. Nah, can't be me. That was Nerd. He fat fingered. He meant 5.19 million. Dang it, Nerd. Hopefully you juice, buddy. Xantreeb, don't ban me, please. iPad number 420. Shout out to you, Good Tech. That was a hard one to nail down. I know there's a lot of competition. Who has Lines of Laquanian number 420? Biff on my bet. Twitching Greg, yeah. Is what real? Curvies. It's a bug. It's a bug. Yeah, just drag it so visible range is... Yeah. Drag it so visible range. Sometimes like the web version or the desktop version doesn't like link up as well. Squeeze that MFer! Yeah. Dude, that's like Bugatti 200K. It's definitely 120K. If that was for real. That's a big dang. Juice OI looking good. Oh, I'm looking at CME.
Useless Lines Records.
Useless Lines Records.
I said whole lot of damn juice.
Quit playing with me.
Kimba gang.
Oh, it's not looking bad. Get a lot of longs. That's aggregate. Yep, and breaking that resistance zone. Yeah, that would be like the last kind of straw before running those highs. Would be right here. If it wasn't going to take that high, it's kind of like your last line of defense. So you know how fun it is when you're like, I'm gonna wait for the swing fail, and then it does that again. I'm not saying that that's gonna hold, but bears who are holding shorts from the tippy top up here that didn't get ran on this one. Yeah, break through there, and then we got like a cascade potentially. That's called levels. It's the CoinWise levels. Berkey. Exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, this is the TPO PVP indicator. You can look at volume and time. You actually can do like some of the session things, session splits that we nerd out on sometimes. Within that, I just am not competent enough to demonstrate it on stream yet. I haven't had the time to play with the toys as much as I would like to, but very soon I'll try and get it in this week. Yeah, much love. Thank you, Twitch and Greg. Yeah, it's just single prints in the TVP, in the TPO part of TPO PVP. Yeah, it's like a whole like mouthful of acronyms and stuff, but it's this one. Yeah, even their basic indicator has a bunch of juice in it. It's pretty cool. And then they have volume in it as well, so it's like the same thing as periodic volume profile or session volume profile without actually showing the profile. It just marks the levels and stuff, which is pretty cool. Keeps your chart a little cleaner, and you can tell that I have major struggles with keeping a clean chart because I just love to mark stuff. But having all that kind of like laid out very nice and neatly is juice. It's TPO value area that's shown right here. TPO point of control. I guess I do need the other one on there. This is volume, I think. Yeah. Same situation, messy charts. I don't even have that much drawings on it though. It's all important. More indicators mean more juice, more profits, right? MEXC, MEXC. I've never heard of it. 70th in market cap. Nerd's doing it again. We got the PSG cartel that's taken over. Right? Shouts to you, Gucci Roma. That's what I was laughing at a minute ago when I saw your hashtag. Much love. Yeah, not enough data. You need to nerd out. Yeah, maybe Band-Aid. Not enough Latuche when you see my charts. It's juicy though. Juice in the room. I'm not doing a try and sing. I'm not KIMBA. I'm not Housty. I do not have any kind of musical talents. More confluence, yeah. Yeah, you just pick some that work for you. Volume's important. Just gotta. I like the echo thing. I like the echo that Houston's got. It's pretty dope. See, like, I don't even know what it's called. It's either after my time or like I just don't do it. So I'm just a normie. Yeah, you're welcome, Gucci Remo. Big shout outs. Exclamation dashboard. If you have a naked avatar in the bottom of the screen, add your profile picture. If you got one of those lines of Laquania, juicers, add one of them. Share. You need to flex on them, right? Let's get it. Anybody get a good one? I know Biffum did. I know Husey did. We were even talking about it in the game show yesterday. He's got a pimp suit in the Lambo dealership. I thought it was the snowsuit. Shout out to you, Husey. Expiring time to 100x FOMO. Yeah, just find a good level and enter it. You can hold them. It's just after you close it, the bonus expires, right? I mean, like, hold the position. It doesn't usually. I don't think I've ever had one that I was in. Back in the day, I got to play on the bonuses. I won them all, I think. But yeah, I found that out after the first one expired. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just be in a trade. I'm gonna make sure I'm in a trade, and I held it for like a couple weeks or something. I got lucky, and I got in a swing and juiced it up. But I'm not like high lev scalping like that ever. Yeah, I don't have too much good fortune with ultra high leverage, and to me 100x is pretty high. I'm usually like 5 or 10x, sometimes like 20, unless it's my my bonus and I got $7 left. Can't be me. Half your 2-bit, but you weren't in a position. Bummer. Hey, I mean, you made 50 bucks then, right? That's juice. I like this song. Shouts to 2-bit. $7 plus $100. Oh, $7 plus 100x. Yeah, 7. Yeah, that's like what? 0.2 ETH. Yeah. I started out with spot for a long time, and like a lot of you who are not brand new to trading, maybe you found futures afterwards, it's definitely an adjustment. Latisse, you got a smoking pipe. That's what's up. You got number 213. Noise. I don't know what numbers I have, but I got a couple good ones. I know, Kirby's. Yeah, just low leverage it if it's like about to run out. But you should use it. You should use it for practice and trade. It's not to encourage gambling, but it is to just kind of help everybody, you know, test what they know and get some practice on KIMBA. What an amazing environment that somebody can, you know, offer that up for us. Big shouts to KIMBA. Big thank you to him for everything he's done and everything that he continues to do for us. Look at me. I was right there where you were, and now I'm in front of you. Unreal. I mean, same for all of us. Same for anybody that you see up here. Buzz, Cage, Husty, anybody else that's gonna come in. Yeah. Keep working hard. Keep nerding out hard, putting in the hours. Is it lagging again?
I've been deep in my charts, just letting the zones pull apart. I ain't pressed, I'm aligned. Don't chase, I wait for my time. Juice rising slow, I feel the vibes surrounding me. Smoke all over me, blow my mind.
Is it better? Any better?
Ain't no fear, just clarity. If you've been stressing, just sit and
Exclamation YouTube, it might be better. Oh, it's fixed now. Sweet. You just said you... Let's go, Danny. Shout out to you, brother. Let's go, Matt. Thank you. Yep, if you are confused about who is in front of you and not Kimba, this is not Kimba. He is not doxed now. This is Mandalo. You guys probably know my blood type and mother's maiden name at this point, but much love to y'all. No ill will. I'm just trying to help, and I had the amazing opportunity to share market opens with you this week. Yeah, Kimba does have a dope beard, doesn't he? Let's go. Reveals. Yeah. Okay, so blast it on Twitter. Kimba face reveal. We're gonna get the chat up to like 20,000. Yup. Yeah, thanks, Danny. Yeah, much love. Kachoya. I'm wrecked. Jedi's Kirk, yeah, brother. O positive. I actually don't even know what my blood type is. Yep. Corolla lover. I know where to find it, but I don't know what it is. Dom check. Yeah. Titus. Yeah, great to hang out with y'all. Not being able to grow facial hair, yeah. No, this is, it took a lot of work for the makeup and costume department to put together. Got rugged. Yep. Big shout out to y'all. It's gotta be testnet. Testnet? Let me get a testnet in the chat. Possibly. You never know, good tech. Yeah. Young Gandalf. Yep. I kind of think of young Dumbledore. Somebody was calling me for Hogwarts earlier. Magic trips, yep. Yep, and you know, it goes with the whole professor vibe, right? Good morning, Strat. How you doing? Corolla lover. Corolla lover's hanging in there strong. It hasn't changed it to Bugatti lover yet. Shout outs to you. I know Kimba used to ask you to do that. Much love for the Corollas. I saw a sick video on Instagram of, yeah, and like I said, I'm a boomer, but of a super built out old Corolla, and it was dope. It had like 1,000 horsepower or something. They like built the shit out of it. Yeah, people do some crazy things with those old cars. Yeah, I know it sounds hilarious to do it, but it was like one of the original Corollas. So it was like kind of like the whole retro thing. It was cool. Tal's running. See, I'm such a boomer, I don't even know which box to click on TradingView. Got some juice. Ooh, wee, hot dog, exclamation hot dog. It's doing the same thing a lot of those alts are doing. You know, you hold and Biddy starts to push, everything's gonna run. Yeah, breaking out of value. Yeah, weren't we looking at this wick the other day? It's because it's in Binance Perps. Is it on Coinbase? I don't think it is. Oh, my playlist. What? I can't take her with the music too much. Get music back again. Yeah, yeah. Alright, let's get it. Yeah, shout out to you, Jedi's Kirk. Shout outs to CoinWise juicing us up with a bunch of trials of their indicators. They got some amazing indicators, some really cool information on it. Go to their YouTube. They got some videos. They got a Discord. But these tools are pretty juicy. Alright, so we had that gigantic dildo. And that's a professor term. I don't think that's the right chart, even though it's got the right symbol. What in... It did it there too. Is it really bit tensor? I just know that it's a shitcoin and you can make money off of it. Like, dude, how many of you are actually using cryptos to do things other than mint NFTs and to trade? Right? It's not like it's gonna, I mean, some of you might stake it. I don't know if you can stake Tau. Yeah, I'm in it for the tech. Curvies. Overall, I mean, I think that crypto is amazing and I am a part of the space for the tech, but I'm not like trading peanut coin for the tech. Tau's great for DeFi. Yeah, probably. I don't know about peanut. No offense to the peanut traders. Yeah, the only thing that I've used crypto for in real life is like paying for stuff a little bit. Was it exclamation bit refill? Let's go. ETH has great tech. Yeah, I mean, I used to do ETH NFTs quite a bit. I have a peanut allergy. Cyper used to trade peanut a lot. I know that. Yep, Cyper, you still in hype? Can't even fit it all on the screen. That was like 2 weeks ago. Right at 350, amazing. Who had take profits there? Yep, breaking out of value. Backtest on VWAP, pretty much. Probably clean up that Wick of Destiny. Popcat, that's right. Let's go, Cyper. Can you see the ETH chart? Yeah. I always do that. I need to like figure out how to use TradingView. I never learned. How did he get here? It's just my beautiful personality. It's definitely not for my tech acumen. Tomorrow, full rotate day. I don't know, maybe. We got PPI on Wednesday, CPI on Thursday. It's gonna be juicy this week. Yeah, got some we got a talent show viewing party on Tuesday and Thursday, I think, right, Husey? He might be tied up. As far as confirmation, exclamation dashboard to check the full stream schedule. I am gonna show up after CPI and make sure that you guys have no idea what you're doing on Thursday. I'm just kidding. I'm coming in early if I can get things going earlier than 8:15, then I might even be here earlier than that. But definitely a little bit before CPI, I'll be here. Make sure of it. Yeah. I know, Buzzcree wrecked. Yeah, we need to watch out for this little zone. Right at the top of that zone, amazing. Golden pocket. It's amazing, isn't it? It's gonna help matters though, help our whole situation, getting some closes up here. We just had an hourly close above the consolidation and outside of value, with a pixel retest on value area high, with volume. I mean, of course it's volume, it's RTH session. Possibly Checkster. Oh man, that was one of the things that I closed. 83rd. I had Market Monkey up. Yep. Yeah, you're right. Shoutouts to Market Monkey. Shoutouts to Trading Light, Exclamation Tools. Trading Lights, you know, the whole outage that they had was a little bit hard for them. Much love to them though. Pangu Juice. Yeah, let's go. On what pair? 83rd. Or you're just looking at bookmap? I got bookmap on another computer. This like whole thing is not. Yeah, Trading Light. It's on Binance at 113K. 408. It looks like. And then ETH has at 43.75. 6.4 thousand ETH. Right above. We'll see. Somebody already shorted on Bybit, 23 million. I mean, at least they're not shorting the bottom on that one. I don't know. Or like longing right here. They'll probably ride it until the invalidation point at the higher high. Don't you think? I mean, that's kind of a habit you see a lot from Bybit. That it's definitely possible. Yeah, if it starts closing up there, yeah, I'd be looking to consolidate and move upwards. Things are looking good, and we have FOMC next week. Yep. So, you know, somebody will be here holding it down the very best we can. If Kimba's not able to join us, somebody will be here to hype up the Lions and Juice together, even next week for FOMC if he's not able to be here. But regardless, we're juicing today, and we'll see where this week takes us. It's only Monday. It's 2 hours of market open, not even yet. Yeah, TD. Nibbler, shout outs to you. Yeah, thanks, Chicken Milkshake. Much love, Burbeezy. True, McKillum. Very true. And we have, what, 3 years of highlights? Y'all can catch up on if you feel that you can't do anything without him. But you got a great community as well. We got people coming in and helping you all out. The Discord is amazing. PSG, shout outs to y'all. It is nice confluence to hear Kimba. It definitely helps to boost your confidence if your analysis is anything, you know, it's a good feeling. You're like, hey man, I thought that was a good level too. I figure out where's settlement. Where's previous month's settlement? Where's the gap today? The blue is our gap today, 50% filled. And we're trading, pushing back up to where the old gap was. Big old gap, all the way up to 117 in CME. And S&P, they just can't seem to bust up into that cleaned up single print. I mean, I'm guessing that SPX like index is probably pushing right up at 65 hundo. Miss hearing his voice. Here, let me give you guys a little bit of a reminder, you know, kind of some fond memories. Juice, 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 juice. Who juicing? Got Joya! Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Oh, how's that? You remember that? Juice! If you're not juicing, you're not paying attention. Exclamation rewind. Watch the highlights. I love you, Kimba. You got scared? Sorry. Yeah! I told you, this is Kimba right here. Yep, with worse TA and worse facial hair. Bugatti! Let's elevate. From the hustle to the top we rise. Shout out to you, Ponytail. No difference. Wizard, I know. Gyat! Let's get a gyat in there. Yeah, 83rd. Country mode. Yep. Gotta go feed my chickens real quick. Thanks, Chester. Timu Kimba. Dude, I'm like, I don't know. Like those roadside stands version of Kimba, not even Timu. I haven't even gone worldwide yet. Yep. I'm like the lemonade stand for kids version. Yeah. But we coming up. I'm opening up another lemonade stand. Yep, testnet. Shout out to you, Cream. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna write it out a little bit longer, but I got some IRL things I need to attend to. I don't want to leave you guys hanging, but I gots to go. Let's juice out more like an aged wine. Yeah, thank you. Yep. It's called seasoned. Seasoned. Bitstamp spot versus Coinbase spot. Well, Bitstamp has more history, I think. Coinbase has more volume and more institutional participation, but Bitstamp is kind of like OG. Yeah, and Bitfinex is another OG long traded exchange. Yeah, and I think Tether uses Bitfinex. Yeah, let's see if we can open that thing up.
KIMBA gang on my shoulders, we ain't folding.
I mean, look at the volume. It's not similar.
Now the profits add up, math levels extreme. Had to do the math, no
Yeah, but take a look at mix. You just love your mix, don't you? Yeah, Curvies. That's some pretty impressive figures. You have all long-term trading on Bitstamp? Yeah, I'll see if I can open it up. Is it USD or USDT? I'm sure I have it. I have like, you see BTC, all the orange is BTC, and then I have like, all of those are BTC. I just don't want to look for it. Take it till next week. I maybe don't even have it. I think I have a few more down below too, but I haven't like dragged up. Let's just find it. It's USD. Thanks, McKillum.
Too many nights staring at an empty plate. Now the table full and the fam all late. Had to let the losses teach me how to win.
Yeah, BitMEX is another one.
And my lettuce so green. Yeah, we earn this. Work too hard to live like this. Juice flowing heavy, can't resist. From the dirt to the stars, all green like the prophets. KIMBA gang worldwide. Now they watching my pockets. Yeah, they watching the profits.
Well, what's up with that? Binance is big for spot. That's one that you know, we can confirm the volume. It's just like, even if it is Gucci now, we're a little more hesitant about placing extreme emphasis on the Binance. Yeah, this is very little. It's a 4-hour candle and 17 Bitcoin. It's just not the volume. Curvy said it best. I mean, Coinbase in August was 55% of the spot market. It's pretty impressive. Well, USD, I guess, yeah. But still. Yeah, it's big in the US. It's big for institutional trading. Kraken's pretty good too. I just saw a Kraken commercial on TV last night. Yep, exclamation dashboard. There's some other great exchanges on there. Let's get it. We might be eligible for some giveaways. I think there's going to be giveaways all week. Right? Shoutouts to CoinWise. Shoutouts to the dashboard. Shoutouts to KIMBA. Shoutouts to our exchanges. Yeah, exclamation VPN McKillum. Oh, it is? Oh, it is, Deadmark? Yeah. I've never seen anybody have single prints visible on the screen, but okay. You can have your own opinion.
We don't give a fuck. Stack that green like that green. Bitch, we turning up, juicing up, juicing up. Run that money up. 100 deep, we in the
I've never
cut.
seen anybody have single prints. Value areas. There's a lot of unique things that CoinWise has. But, you know, give it a try yourself and see what the difference is. Or don't. You don't have to. Nobody's twisting your arm. It's free shit. Yeah, it's no big deal. Thank you, Buzz. It's no big deal. Everybody has their own take on things. Vu Manchu. Yeah, McKillum. Coinbase and Coinbase Institutional merge their volumes? No, it's different. It is. Yeah, I'm trying to remember which one they started to show the institutional volume. It might have been CoinGlass. Yeah, there is a free market cipher code. And you see me using it. Like, I have the chart in my levels. I like volume. I like TPO. I like VWAP. And I like market structure. So, you know, anything that makes that better and can mark some of my daily levels too, like I'm thrilled. It's beautiful. Anything that can put them together in one place, even better. I'm a simple person, but I still have like the rotary phone for my internet connection. It's actually connected to my like antenna on top of my house. Yeah, you know, like it's a older person's house that they had the antenna on the roof, right? My grandpa has one. Dial up. I wish for weed. Are we cutting out again?
KIMBA gang, pull the trigger, money in the air, chart spinning, racks flipping, see us every
I've never seen this before. Trading Light has it. Ada sorta had it. Exo sorta has it. You got divergences that you can like do all kinds of customization with. We got relative volume, ability to aggregate or look at just the simple pair, longs and shorts. You got delta on there too. It's just like cleaner like this to me. CVD. Yep, you can aggregate your open interest. I'm looking at open interest. I'm looking at spot right here. 50, 56. I'd be lucky. Yeah, we don't get bearish on the penetration.
We the market makers, we run these scenes, flexing in our Bugattis, living like kings and queens.
Look at our little zone.
We hustle and grind, never
It's got to be testnet.
ambition intertwined. Luxurious preparation meets opportunity. We harvesting rice while we grind with unity. Counter trading Koreans, liquidate the game.
Juzz.
Kimchi on our plates, but we ain't taking shame. Crypto kings grinding.
They don't have it on
Praying hard, screaming, fuck this shit again.
on CoinGlass aggregated. Which one is it that it shows it on? I can't remember.
You know it's about to begin. Hustling on the daily, we juicing profits right. Never backing down, we taking off in flight.
You talking about this?
Hard, vibing through the
You want to see
night.
these?
KIMBA gang forever in this glorious fight. We the market makers, we run these scenes.
What are you trying to see? The individual ones?
KIMBA gang's the squad. We hustle
That's your longs and shorts.
Ambition intertwined. So if you're trying to roll, better come correct. Kimba gangs the crew, we demand respect. Money, fame, success, we taking it all.
There you go.
Quania, we chill, hear the market call.
For some I might not have updated it, but they had it so you can view the oh, there we go, aggregated all, but it's supposed to show like the I might need to update it. They had like the number of contracts. Yeah, I have to figure that out. Sorry, CoinWise. I'm not fully showing all your beautiful tools. My bad. I'm gonna get fined. They're gonna take him away from me. No. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, relative volume is really, really cool. I always really like that one. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off with this extension. And I like that. Yeah, it's very easy to copy code. If they wanted something that was the same and just rip somebody off, then I'm sure that it could be done. But why, like, what value is that? They're making unique, really cool stuff. Never seen anything like this before. Maybe in the development stages from some of the developers. Relative volume in delta. Higher than normal buy volume, higher than normal sell volume. Not a whole lot of that even now. Volume's not quite the same as it was on Friday. It's pretty natural. It was like the weekly, monthly close in traditional finance, wasn't it? ASR. Is that like USDT? I'm not gonna look too hard, it's in finance. Oh boy. I wonder what happened there. On Agger, but it's not named Coinbase Institutional. Yeah, it'd be interesting to be able to. You might have to pay for that information. I wonder if it, like, Addis, you can get it. We already looked at it. We can look at it. Jazz, you're cool, dude. Yeah, we were trying to figure it out. Wow, big longs into that. Was there news or something? I don't even know what ASR is. Sorry. I can't keep track of them all. Take a look at MEXC. Okay, okay, Acton. I got you. Oh, not really, JV, but I will. Remind me if I forget in a second. I mean, it is juicing. Not financial advice, but I'm not trading this. Lord of mercy. Exclamation hot dog. Soul, I already looked at Soul. It was a swing fail. We'll look at it again. We'll look at it again in the wrap up because I'm gonna have to be kicking rocks pretty soon.
Feet on the gas, told my brother stay solid. We ain't never looking back. Block hot, but my vision cold as aspen.
Yeah, this is just like, it's going daily. Has it ever been high? No.
You ain't talking money, little homie, then you miss me. Sacrifice my sleep, I ain't seen my bed in weeks. They was counting me out, now they watching me eat. Grind heavy, heart colder than 100 below. When I touch it, best believe it's finna double and grow. Juiciest in the fuck up, I ain't letting up now. All the meals I took, look how I'm winning right now. Pressure make diamonds,
all right.
from the stone. You ain't working like me, then stay the fuck off the
Do I need to look at this?
Don't sleep, neither do
I don't even think my fibbed extensions go that far.
Had to cut some ties, I ain't stressing the loss. If you ain't help build a table, you ain't eating with boss. They ain't show love when
how about that? The 1.618 was like almost resistance, and then it wasn't.
I ain't letting shit break me. Every dollar made was a risk, ain't no safety.
Let's see if like the 4,
tell me what you see.
whatever, the 4.20
This ain't luck, boy, this that get it out the mud. Ain't no cheat codes
will
here, just
get anywhere close to it.
Juiciest in the fuck up, I ain't letting up now. All the meals I took, look how I'm winning right now. Pressure make
Yeah, I'll
diamonds, I
go
was
with this
built from
one.
the stone. You ain't working like me, then stay the fuck off the throne.
4.236, right? I don't know, I'm the professor, but it's beyond that. What is it, the 4.618 that we're at? We're trying to figure this one. Oh my gosh. There you go. Close above the 4.618. And things might be looking juicy for the 5 points. I don't even know my extensions beyond that. Like, what do you even do? You just look for the consolidation and like do smaller fibs maybe. That might be interesting. Cleaned that though. Here, you're gonna get a little peep. Oh no, I don't have it on here. I'm trying to do candles. I'll just do a fixed range and low time frame. It's faster. There. Hold that value area low. I'm kidding, but I'm kind of not kidding. Hold that and you're good. I can see it pulling back to here. Yeah, you start closing down here, it's starting to look not so good, but as long as it holds up in this range, 5.6, that's a big, big zone in a 5-minute chart. Lord of mercy, like, do not be like high leverage trading this thing. That is like instant liquidation. Everyone's eyeing the golden pocket. Your invalidation is like $2 away. That's hilarious. 4.3%. And it looks like microstructure, doesn't it? I'll wait for this to like establish a zone or break above again. Like, I'll wait and see if this like holds or like the value area. It's got a bear div in the 1-minute chart. It does, doesn't it? It's going to $10. That is not a market call. That was exaggeration. But I'm sure the MEXC community is saying that on Twitter. Wait, somebody want to see fart coin. Was that you, JV? I'm just being lazy when I'm pulling up these tickers at this point. Fart coin is juicing! That's a juicy fart right there. Let's go. Which one of our exchanges has fart coin on it? I think I traded this a couple of times, but it's been a while. It was like back, it was back when it was like holding $1, like way back. That's a swing failure. Clean the single print maybe. Maybe hold value area high. A couple interesting things. Sorry I like charted mix so much, but I wanted to kind of just show like a low time frame thing. Yeah, you start losing that. You maybe come down to here. That's pretty good. Yeah, and that's not really great up here. It never stops. Couple anchor VWAPs in here. Yeah. It's a shame to put money in these. It has some values, yeah. Like really. I'm in it for the tech, I don't know. I'm in fart coin for the tech. What's their white paper say? I bet you would, JB. Did they? Please, Alec? It's made with ChatGPT. Oh my gosh. We didn't lose that many viewers when we started talking about fart coins, so like shout outs to you guys. Kachoy. Red map is bullish. Insert fart jokes here. Yep. Yeah, I don't have my levels on here. Let's see what levels look like. You have VWAPs. You know, that kind of coincides. Daily, weekly VWAP with holding the whole big range value area high. If things get hairy. Is it a charity coin, McKillum? I think I'm gonna ride it till the 4-hour close. Till noon. I was only gonna go until 11 today, but I was having so much fun with y'all. Don't be mad at me. Really, I do have a lot of work that I cannot do and entertain you all day with. I'm sorry. Oh, come on, man. We got our spacesuits on, so... Oh, yeah. AI, 65%. In 1 minute is probably somebody got filled on their shorts and they dumped a bunch of their spot. Arcane Bear does it. I watched him like a little bit, like way back. Yeah, it was a little much. I am a conspiracy theorist though, and he like seemed to have like some interesting ideas there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna kill him. It sure does. Biffum! Biffum, how are you doing? Good morning, brother. I'm in my element, charting fart coin. I hope you're in your element, juicing the fuck up. Much love, brother. Can I check XLM? That's an old coin too, isn't it? Biffum, you need to see anything? You want me to chart anything? We've been charting shit coins all day. Yeah, it's like CPI week. We got some juice this week. Dog coin, oh my goodness. I only have a few minutes left. But Biffum, I'm definitely gonna chart whatever you would love to see. Shouts to you. Crow? Yeah, we gotta see Crow. I forgot about that one. Latisse, let's go. Yep. And I'm being lazy, I'm just doing... Wait, you're gonna have to remind me which one was the 65% dump. This is the same as every other altcoin that we've looked at. It's leaving like a little bit for later, breaking out of its range. You got stacked single prints. It's bullish. Daily, weekly VWAP, that would be an area to hold. I can see this single print holding. We put some volume on it. I don't even know what we're looking at right now. It's the same thing though. I mean, that's the range. You got structure. You want to hold that. Maybe like in lower time frame. You get some structure right here. You could throw a smaller profile on just the move. Anchor your VWAP. I mean, the weekly VWAP is already... It broke out off the open almost. So you don't even really need to do an anchor VWAP there. But off of the breakout, let's see. I'll call that the impulse. Any of you ever put a volume profile on with TPO and notice a correlation between single prints and volume gaps? Just low volume nodes. No fake love, only real ones stay. Making money in 1,000 ways. If no begins, then no. Yeah, well, absolutely, Biff. I mean, I like Sui. Yep. Not that I wouldn't do it if I didn't like it, because I looked at like Peanut and like some other fun coins. Yeah, that gap right there. Value area high. If it pulls back hard. Yeah. Maybe if like things get really nasty. You got quite a bit of confluence in this area. Like, we're in like fractions of cents here. In 37 cents. But just like everything, all the altcoins, if Bitcoin doesn't hold, then it's not going to be too juicy. Yeah, insistence. You wanted to see something too, didn't you? Need more neuro. You're going to get it all week. Yep, I'm going to give you as much time as I'm able to without me getting in trouble. I'm showing Sui, and somebody wants to see Crow. I'm going to spend more time with Sui. Crow, I mean, I want to see Cage chart Crow, because he is like the Crow OG. Ah, no OI data on it. Yeah, we need to hold this. Need to hold this. You don't want to see that. If anything, you want to see like a swing fail of this level. And it's daily chart, but it's not really any different. I could see like, whoops, kind of this little consolidation. You really don't want to see it all the way back at 20 cents. That's a lot. That's a lot after that move. And it's dangerously close to falling back in the range at that point. But yeah, hold up here and we're good. You want to see it like swing or just hold this and kind of whoops, that got really sloppy. I'll go into hourly, did that instead. Yeah, you want to see that level cleaned and that turn into support, 28 cents. And you got a green candle in the hourly, holding that low. If you change structure, you're looking good. That good for you? It still wants to squeeze. Sui's structure looks nice. It looks like a lot of the other alts without its like big push yet. It's pushing up on these highs. Without having run it yet. Yeah, it kind of broke out. It's looking pretty nice. I'm gonna put a profile on this low time frame. I'll go high time frame. There's your volume. That's how I'm picking that fixed range. Yeah, if it pulls back, hold the daily weekly open. That would be interesting. You got the point of control for this whole range down here too at like 338, and that's not that far. I'm looking at that just right above us. It could be a swing fail, and then you might start running into the single prints. So that would be somewhere to be cautious. If it really pulls back, you know, that would be a clean. That could be a clean right here, down in like 330. You really don't want to lose all that. If you lose that point of control and start like having closes on a higher time frame, that's not the best. Yeah, let me go in higher time frame real fast. At least 4 hour. You had me all week too. I just know that you're trying to be juicing up all today. I don't want to leave you guys hanging.
Damn, KIMBA, you back at it again.
I'm just laughing the anchored VWAP from the low, where we are, right here.
When the drones start flying, where you at?
When the charts get wild, can you last?
Yeah, start flipping this, maybe 360. That's a pretty good high. But collectively it's not. So flip this and I would probably be targeting like 385, maybe a little higher. Previous month what? Monthly TPO.
I was calm, sipping tea, letting charts flip. Still held a fib while he crying in his dashboard pit. Me, I'm a lion in the middle of the red. Bullets flying, I got lettuce in my head. They tryna flip coins, I flip spreads. You panic sell, I
Biffum, you good?
When the drones start flying, where you at? When the charts get wild, can you last?
Oh, friends. I'm like calling it. I'll open the chart. I didn't even get to chart the chart as much as I would have liked on Sui, but that was pretty good. I don't have 6,900 on my thing. Some other people were trying to look at that the other day. This is making up for the altcoin nerd outs looking at like 4 altcoins. Is this the right one? Oh, he broke structure. It's looking good. Yeah, you need to hold this. You don't want to lose previous weak point of control. Holding that's a good sign. You might get a little bit of resistance up there. I'll go from like the buyback for my profile. Come on. Oh, it doesn't even have volume. I don't even know what this is. Yeah. Yeah, but then you had structure as well. Probably in this zone. You know, that was why it sold off right there, probably. But clean that. That whole area is going to be a little bit of resistance. Alright, let's take one last look at the 4-hour close on BTC. Look at the real charts on CME and ES, and then I'm going to send it. Yep, I wish I could spend all day with y'all, but I just cannot. I'm sorry, but it's been a great morning. Big shout outs to all of you. Yep, we got a big week coming up. I'm gonna be with y'all every morning, charting to your heart's desire or riding the volatility with you, looking for positions. We got some talent shows. We got giveaways all week. Shout outs to the CoinWise promo and all their indicators. Shout outs to their education too, of course. Great team over there. Much love to all of you. Thank you for sharing this stuff with us. Looking forward to seeing more. Big shout outs to all of you giving it a try. It's pretty juicy, isn't it? Big shout outs to all the exchanges. Exclamation dashboard to join up with the giveaways. Some of the OGs won this morning on BLOFIN. Shout outs to them. Yeah, CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. Exclamation dashboard. You can see the stream schedule for the week, see when Juiciest going to be up here, see any of the additional events that might get added this week. Use that promo code. Check them out. Yeah, it's dope. Shout outs to you, Sophia, McKillum, Burbeezy. Yeah, it was a fun time. S&P is just like rolling over this single print. How about that? We even like said something about it kind of with like having just another lower high. Don't do this. Quit playing with me. Yeah, chicken milkshake, Wiztard, Santry. I've been doing nerd outs since like July periodically. And then Yeah, today is like the first RTH stream that I've done. That's Kimba's domain, but he wasn't able to be here. He's got some IRL things going on, exclamation rewind. And so, you know, the team is just taking a shot at entertaining y'all and giving you as much juice as we have to offer. Bringing PSG up in here, you know, it's pretty amazing that I was right there viewing for 3 years, and now I can share some things with you. Can vibe out, do some charting. A lot of fun. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for sticking around even though Kimba's not here. And, you know, there's going to be giveaways all week, so, you know, that's some extra juice for you. But shout outs to PSG, stand up. Yeah, Toasted Zergling. Yep. Hopefully I showed you a little something today, even if it was just some more confluence for your own TA-wise. Shoutouts PSG, Lihu, Shadow Dancer. Shoutouts to Kimba, thank you so much. Shoutouts to Husty, shoutouts to Cage, shoutouts to Buzzo, Cypher, the whole mods and dev team. Big shoutouts to all the OG Lions, all the gifters today and every day. Big shoutouts to all the OGs, all the grinders, and even all the new Lions. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We do our very best to help in this community. Check out our Discord, exclamation Discord. Check out the dashboard. Use some free stuff. You got some toys and tools. Exclamation coin-wise. You see it in the pin. I can't talk anymore. Oh man, I just don't have it. I just don't have it in me. You're like a crackhead with Tourette's. Cachoya! Bulls, bears, we're all lions. Who juicing? Who juicing? Who juicing? Who juicing? Exclamation hot dog! Exclamation Latuche! Not enough Latuche. I don't even have the soundboard. Much love, Biffum. Thank you, brother. I hope you're juicing. I hope all of you are juicing. Big shout outs to you, Ace, Berbezi, Vieira, Latisse, Baru, Baratina, Mark, Appears, Chicken Milkshake. Thanks for bearing with the music this morning also. Thanks for helping me get it squared away. Shout outs to you, Cowboy Surfer, TS Master, Buzzcree, Checkster, JV, juice up on that. Joe Man, Dennis, Tigran, Crispy, Petter, 83rd, much love. Cage wins. Sorry. Burgix, JV, the US. Shout out Snipebot. Shout out Kimba AI. That's an OG joke. Amanello, iFran, Maestro, Kosar. Oh, I'm hitting him with the D now. Indo Lion, shouts to you. MJ, TDW, iFran. Alright, much love, gang. I'm out of here. Cachoya! Love ya. Oh. Big cheers. Big cheers, big cheers. Shoutouts to you, Kimba AI, and Raptors, and Berbezi. McKillum, love ya. Helps people with OCD. Yeah. Alright, big cheers, y'all. Pipeline 60. Jonas. Sorry, YouTube. We had some connection difficulties. I'm not shouting you out. I'm sorry. Much love to you all. Much love. Big cheers. Hopefully we get it all squared away for tomorrow. Yep. Cheers, 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 cheers. Alright. Love ya.